Hi guys, today is a quick video on how to change your theme on your Office 365. As you can see here, it's picked up the dark mode settings as a default from my machine. So let's go ahead and change it. So first thing you need to do is click on File on the top left hand side. So over here, click File and you click Options, which is at the bottom here. It will open up a new window and make sure you're on General. And you scroll slightly down and where it says personalize your copy of Microsoft Office and under Office theme, click on the drop down menu and select your preferred color. So let's just say I'd like to go for the white option, click OK. And for whatever reason, I change my mind. I simply have to just go back. So File, Options, and on the new window, I go back to the drop-down menu and let's just say I'll prefer the dark gray. I click on OK at the bottom right hand side here. So I'm pretty happy with that. And if I ever want to keep that, then I can proceed. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.